What is going on, guys? Real quick, I just wanted to say thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. If the footage looks good, go ahead and hit that like button for me and subscribe if you want to see more. This is really just some test footage for an upcoming video I want to make. Going to be filming a wheelie tutorial soon, so I rigged up the camera in the back of my truck to see how it looked. I still have some kinks to work out, but I think it looks pretty good. But I rigged up the camera in the back of my truck so that I could get some better third-person shots versus the first-person view GoPro footage. So if I'm doing a tutorial, you can see, you know, more of what's going on. But thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for that wheelie tutorial.